To edit photos on the Google Pixel 9 Pro, first of all, you will have to open Google Photos. Now, you will have to pick the photo that you want to edit. So in my case, I would like to get, for example, this one, and now click on the edit button. And as you can see, first of all, we've got some suggestions, so we can quickly edit this photo with this options like dynamic, enhance, and get some warm colors, or even cool. There we go. But if you don't like it, you can also do this manually. So first of all, you can crop the photo. There's like a lot of options to adjust right here. You can even change aspect ratio or perspective. Okay, it doesn't actually work, so that's actually weird. Okay, now it actually works. There we go. And then we get some tools like portrait blur, unblur, zoom enhance, and the magic eraser. And the next one, we get some adjust. So as you can see right here, we can change all of the photo parameters like the brightness, contrast, HDR effect, which is located here, the white point, highlights, shadows. There's also the black point, saturation, and other things. Then you can also find some filters that will quickly change the look of your photo. And you've got the markup, so we get the pen, highlighter, or text. And even there's like the motion, so you can export the frame if you take the motion photo, and you can click to save the copy to finish. Thanks for watching right now. Please subscribe.